So, guys, the discovery is called Homo naledi. Naledi means hot in Swahili. Do you guys agree with that?
No.
Talk to each other about it.
So it says that
It says Naledi in Sesotho or whatever.
it was a new discovery, old human relative paragraph.
Any discussers? Or anything else? How about this? The section, there's a section that says, surprising that they buried their dead is mostly how they use tools. Is that a good summary about that article?
No, because they only talk about using tools.
What would a better summary of that section be, do you think?
Because this is about how they found the Homo naledi, I think the summary should be a lot about how they discovered their town.
Does it make you think that humans have evolved from earlier primates? What is your support for your position? Do you believe that? Do you disagree? What do you think? And also, what do you think about what other people at the table think?
I don't believe in evolution.
Well, I believe in that.
Hold on. Can you expand on that for me? Why do you say that?
Because I'm Christian.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't believe in science that much.
Okay. Why don't you call on someone else? Why don't you call on someone else?
I believe that God only is.
But the thing about this, there's like direct evidence here. So like, it's kind of hard to argue with evidence if you.
There is more evidence.
Like evidence about like evolution.
Yeah, there is this one.
But so
It's called the
then,
Bible.
yeah, but.
I know, but that's a secondary source,
yeah,
not a primary
yeah.
source.
It is a primary source.
Like, there's no.
Because God
It's a buy.
God didn't write it. But I don't think
There's no proof that that's an actual story. What if it's
God
like
told-
a fairy tale?
It's not fairy tale.
What if?
Like, so when said like we might not be fully related, but then I think we're still kind of related to this ancient.
I don't think so. It's like we don't have any we're not even related to them because how does like those monkey from the wild not evolve like that?
That's a good question.
Because it takes like
Hold on. Did you guys hear what Kate's point was?
yeah.
Her point is, I think what you're saying is that if we did evolve from them, why would they still be here, right?
Oh yeah, I think that's a good point.
But is it possible that maybe our species and their species kind of diverged and they're still alive?
I think what Kate said was very
Can you
good
say it
because
again?
if
Like, they became monkeys and one of them became...
Well, then
I'm not saying that. I'm saying, does this support evidence for that? Do you think that's enough support or no?
how did monkeys have legs? Why do they think we only have legs and we only walk in 2 feet?
But the question that I'm asking you is, what other discoveries does this make you think of?
I think of like when he discovered King Tut's tomb. It's a really good discovery, and people didn't know that he existed.
Yeah. Someone else? Julie, you're kind of quiet. Any other discoveries that this makes you think of? Dominic?
So I think that although I believe in God, the one thing that he was wrong about is I think he's like a raw creation and that's your opinion and like I think later on stop Julie. I think later on they might be able to find more bones and fossils of other like Homo I didn't say it was wrong. It was my opinion, Julie. Stop. I never said you're wrong either.
Hey, I want to reiterate, Dominic and Julie, remember to be respectful.
I'm just being respectful
Okay.
and he's shouting at me.
Jen,
That is true.
That's just crossed my mind. I mean, like, for some people, they kind of like maybe this is kind of like off topic maybe, but for some people like someone like that, he believes in God, but then at the same time he believes in evolution. So then like this idea comes from my mind, like God created us like that in the beginning, and then we turned it into
It also makes me think of the question, can religion and science coexist?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Nani, what
Sometimes I
do you,
do, sometimes-
Nani, what do you think?
This dig makes me think of something that we were learning about in Mrs. Rice's class about Lucy.
Ah, very good connection. Who dug up Lucy?